All right, Mateo, what's this?
This is our skip.
Skip?
Yep.
What's that for?
Well, it's our little platform to bring up our load on. Instead of having to tie a knot around whatever we'd like, we can just, for example, brick, just set it on the skip.
Good. Okay.
So, to connect it, just take your lines.
There are 4 lines with a loop at each end. That fits over the hook.
You want to attach all 4 sides. Very simple. There you go. Now, if I raise the load, don't need this box anymore.
All right, put the brick on, we'll see what we can.
Yeah, let's try out our load.
Good?
We're good, just barely.
Okay, well, here, pick up the brick. Let me get a...
I'll just use this one.
No, put the brick down again. I want to get a shot of the tower moving. No, let it move.
It's just on the edge.
Oh, yeah, get it closer. Keep doing that. Okay, you're right. It's just on the edge of tipping over. Okay, so what are we going to do?
Well, I'll just take our load and turn it into counterweight by setting it at the end.
Okay.
Then I'll grab another brick. And this time it should be fine. Yep, it still bounces a little bit, but doesn't seem like it's going to tip.
Well, there's some play between there's a Lazy Susan underneath that swivel ring there, and there's some play with the load, tip it, move it again, so there's some play there. So technically that's also at the limit of a safe working load. So what are we going to do?
Well, if we needed to, we could just keep adding counterweight.
Yeah, here's another brick.
Good thing we came prepared. Now, let's test it out. Doesn't shake nearly as much.
Okay, I tell you what, we've got, should be more bricks.
Yep.
Let's put 6 bricks on there. So we got 4, make it 6 bricks.
A lot of counterweight. Okay, let's test it out. Yeah.
Okay, I tell you what, lower the load to the ground. Now we've got the drill press vise over there, which weighs about 6 pounds. And a piece of steel that weighs 7 pounds. Yeah. Position it, put the drill press vise in the middle.
Okay.
And the brick. So that's about a 20-pound load. Now, to be safe, before we do anything, give me a little slack on the load line.
All right.
A little more. Okay, now slide the load on the floor closer in. A little more. Okay, now, right now, if you don't lift it up now because the load should be directly underneath the lifting pulley, and it's not. So what would happen if you lifted the whole thing up now? What would happen?
It'd swing back and forth, and it causes everything to be unstable.
Right. So what are we going to do?
Well, luckily we have this trolley at the top for a reason, and we can just trolley directly over.
There you go. So
Right
now
about
the trolley and the load and the lifting puller in line. Okay.
Let's try it out.
Lift it up. Good. Pretty stable?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you're rubbing up against the
table. So let's trolley out just a little bit.
just a little. Okay. Good. Let's hold it there for now.